How to use Walmart gift card online for Canada. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use Walmart gift card online for Canada, or how to use a Walmart Canadian gift card. Now the process is quite simple and easy. However, there are certain things that you'll have to know. The first thing is, rather than walmart.com, which is the normal or regular Walmart website that you would normally use, you'll have to head into the different Canadian Walmart website. In that case, all you have to do is you want to head into your browser, and then you want to search in for walmart.ca, which refers to Walmart Canada, instead of walmart.com. So you want to head into walmart.ca, as you can see on the screen, walmart.ca, and you should head into this page, and you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, what you want to do is you want to add the item to your cart that you want to buy. Once you do so, you can see the cart icon at the top right corner. You want to simply tap on the cart option there, and you want to head into checkout. Now before heading into checkout here, it'll ask you, you can see here, I'll just simply tap on proceed to checkout. It'll ask you for the details, that is your pickup details here, your shipping details. I'll just enter in the details here quickly, and once here you can see I've chosen a pickup location. You can choose your pickup location, or you can choose your shipping address. I'll just choose pickup location, and then you want to simply tap on next, and it will take you to the payment option here. Now here you can see Walmart Canada gift card option here on the screen. As you can see here, you want to simply select this option, and here you'll be able to use your Walmart Canada gift card. So this way you can use your Walmart Canadian gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.